Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're doing a walkthrough on the Sea Ray 23 SPX, also known as the 230 SPX. It's a gorgeous 23-foot boat, blue in color. It's on a tandem axle trailer. Here on the back swim platform, we have sea deck flooring. It also has a 3-step telescoping ladder and a drop-down swim platform. On this particular model, we have a folding walk-through. So you can walk through. Couple seats off to the left. This one also has a head, which would be perfect for the kids. Here in the bow, it's a huge area. It's 3-tone upholstery, 2 marine grade speakers, and their center cushion here pops out for the anchor. Storage under all the seats here in the bow, as well as cup holders down below. The flooring is infinity woven flooring. It's 4-step pull out, snap out flooring. Under here, in the back seat, we have a cooler, as well as storage under the seats in this boat as well. Again, it's a gorgeous 3-tone upholstery on the inside. Both the co-captain chair and at the helm have flip-up bolsters, so you can see over somebody who's sitting in front of you. The music is powered by a Rockford Fosgate stereo system. It has courtesy lighting, blue lights on the inside, and blue lights in the cup holders. These are really nice because if you're driving at night, you don't see the reflection in the glass. Again, this is the Sea Ray 230 SPX. It's a great boat, great sunbathing pad. This is just an absolutely great boat. Again, this is the 230 SPX here at Rogers, Minnesota. My name is Dan Pergett with MarineMax. Hope to see you soon.